Are you mad? Are you okay?
Sorry, sir. Ma, just small sleep. Carry me go, sir. Sorry.
I've been out there knocking his door house. Because you're going in there, pack your things, and get your freaking stuff out of my house.
Look, I never reached like this now, big. Big Oga no day.
I knew it. I knew she was going to say this rubbish.
What did I say, ma?
Are you okay? What kind of rubbish is that?
But I was talking to Oga Joe.
Stupid. How dare you talk? Why? First. Why are you still standing?
Before I close my eyes and open, I need you out. Get your freaking stuff out of my house!
Baby, you've proven to me and every doubter out there that you're a man. A man even more better than your father. And I'm very sure you need a massage that comes with a good happy ending. Baby.
Oh God, you
Baby. Give me a massage. Smile now, baby. Smile.
Ify.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
I thought you said you were going for an interview this morning.
Yeah. I'm actually ready, but I just want to clean up before I leave.
Ify, I can clean this room now.
Mama, not when I am in this house. Maybe when I'm not around.
This girl, you have just succeeded in turning me to a lazy woman.
Exactly. You should be lazy. That's the whole point of everything.
Just eat, sleep, eat and sleep.
Mama, you have suffered. In this lifetime, Mama, no, I can never let you stress again. Oh, wait, do you think I've forgotten everything you've done for me? Mama, those times when you used to go and hawk banana, you still come back home, wash my uniform, iron my uniform, still prepare dinner for me, Mama. Everything you did just to pay my school fees, I can never forget to. This is the least I can do for you. And lazy shall you be. Yes.
You see, that's why I tell people that though you are a girl, but you're more than 10 boys put together.
Exactly.
Yes, so even my friends who have boys, they can't boast of them the way I boast of you. See this, my God. He will bless you. God will see you. Definitely, He will see you.
Amen, Mama. Now, can I continue my sweeping?
Okay.
I will still get you something to eat before I leave.
No problem, dear. Wake up, please.
Joe, what is it?
It's 11 already. I need you to cook something for us to eat.
What do you want me to do?
I need you to cook something for us to eat. I'm starving.
Let me get this straight. You want me to cook for you?
For us. I'm not talking about myself. I said for us.
I thought you were different.
Different from what?
I mean, different from all those men that turns their women into slaves.
I'm not like them.
Oh, you're behaving like them. How would you just wake me up from sleep and want me to come and cook for you? Is it because you see me as your slave?
No, I don't see you as one. I see you as the woman I love. The love of my life.
So why are you not cooking for us? Are we not equal in this relationship?
Of course we are. But I don't know how to cook.
So what makes you think I can cook?
I'll just step outside and get something to eat.
Hey, now you're talking like a man. Oh, let me quickly change so that we can go and get something. There's this new Chinese restaurant. They sell nice food. I'm coming, let me quickly change, okay?
This is crazy. Look. Dad.
Hello, Daddy.
So how are you?
I'm fine.
Dad, I didn't know you were coming back today.
Well, I came back, went to the kitchen, didn't find Helen. Where is she?
I fired her.
You fired her. Why?
Because I want you, Dad. She has done more than enough. She's inefficient.
And you didn't think of a replacement for her?
I'm going to reach out to the agency for someone new later today.
Hold on.
Welcome, dear. You didn't get the job, right? It's all right, my daughter. Don't let it bother you too much, okay? God will give you a good job. Soon. Very soon.
Mama, soon. Every time, very soon, very soon. Look at me. I'm tired already. I've been looking for a job for the past 3 years since I graduated from school. I haven't even been able to secure something as little as a cleaner job, Mama. Look at your health, Mama. It's deteriorating. And medicine is very expensive now. And this stupid, useless government, they're not even helping. And I'm here, going under the sun, trying to look for a job every single day. Nothing for me, and you're telling me very soon. No problem. Very soon.
Trust in God, my child. He always comes through for his children. Yes. You're a very smart and hardworking girl. And I believe that the God that I serve will visit you very soon with a very good job.
Mama, enough of all this mess. Have you eaten?
Not yet.
I'll just prepare something for you.
Lest I forget, your friend was here to see you, but I told her you're not around. She said she's coming back.
Helen.
Yes.
She's supposed to be at work now.
Her boss son fired her.
It's a lie.
Yes, so
He fired her.
sad.
Hey. She has been complaining about that boy.
Yeah.
See me, I'm here looking for work. Another person is losing their job. Let me get you something to eat.
All right, dear. Welcome, my
Thank
love.
you.
So, my friend, I say you take happen, no. No be say I insult am or thief anything. Just say him come back with a girlfriend. I dey sleep. I no quick open door. He sack me.
Because of that. Hey, I don't understand. See now you be the first person where they sleep for work.
Ask me now.
All the work where you don't tell me, say you don't work for that house. You know, get right to sleep.
My sister, I just tired.
That guy be won't sack you since, my sister. Just be pity you. Because I know say this job, they're very important to you. Where you want start from?
You see, don't worry about me. No worry, I will do alright. Don't worry. The reason why I say make I come quick see you, see, I know my oga well. Him go don call Mr. Caleb. Say make him find am another house girl. So I come even call Mr. Caleb. I tell him say I get one friend wey dey hard working pass me sef. So he say make you come for registration so that him go fit send you go there.
Serious? Jesus. Serious.
I go lie for you.
Thank you. How before I talk about that one, who vessel? What be this same house where you talk to you just come off from? Where the boy wicked?
See, before you go use him bad character pursue you, you go don't work for 1 or 2 months, you know, save salary to solve 1 or 2 problems. No. Don't worry.
How much be the registration again?
Now, 20K.
20K. My sister, you look me up and you know as he be. I don't get that kind of money for common registration.
Don't worry. I don't give her. I know say you don't get. I don't give her.
You give her 20K for me.
I don't give her.
Why you do me this kind of thing now?
Come on now.
Babe, you be my sister from another mother. Oh. Why you do me this kind of thing? What I do to deserve all this thing they do for me now?
Waiting friends they for now. Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
Thank you.
Alright. I even see. I will give you 2,000 naira for your transportation.
Even transport joy.
The man don't call me. See me. You can report tomorrow morning.
What I want to do again? As I carry you go church, go to Thanksgiving. Say, God don't give me Thanksgiving gifts now.
No, say I love you. I love you well.
I still feel bad saying your job you won't give me like this.
Don't worry. We'll do okay.
Thank you.
Welcome, sis.
I go cook wetin no good. You go chop wetin no good.
I trust you.
Thank you.
Wow, I don't go for my hand,
I'll
girl.
wait for your hand. Wait for your hand. But me, I dey fear that guy. You know.
Don't worry.
Joseph! Come. Get up! Get up! Come. What's going on here? The whole compound is littered with paper bags, food bags, drinks, balloons. What's going on? And look at my house. What have you turned my house into a pigsty?
No, you can join our party.
Will you shut up? Now, if I go upstairs and take off my clothes and come down and all this nonsense is still here and my compound is littered, you both will sleep in the police station. You'll be sure of that. Get up! Go on, get up! I said get up! Get up! Get up, you two! Start cleaning this. Stupid people.
Yeah, Mama. I am ready to go.
If anyone,
Yes, Mama.
if I had my way, I wouldn't let you go and walk in that house where there's so much clothes. Your friend told me.
Mama, if I had my own way, I wouldn't go there either.
Promise me. Promise me that no matter what happened, you will stay out of trouble.
I promise, Mama. I do.
If the place gets heated, please come back home. This is your house. You're free to come back.
Hey,
anytime.
Mama, I'm not coming back the same way I just left. So I will come back better. All we need to be worried about is your medication. You need to take your medication, Mama.
I'll try.
You will try. Mama, it's not about trying. We can't afford any other setback. Besides, I can't be coming, Mama, please.
Okay, I will.
You promise?
I promise, I will.
All right. I don't even want to be late on my first day, so I'll see you on my off day. You know, I'm now...
Let's pray before you go. Let's pray before you go. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Hello. Bang it. Yes. Bye.
Are you stupid?
Let me.
Are you stupid?
Boss.
Why would you just turn at me like that?
You slapped me.
Are you mad? Do you know me?
You know. That's not the manager. You like I pay proof for everywhere. So. This one. Are you mad? How dare you touch my woman?
Which kind of problem is this, eh? Which kind of wahala you just involve yourself like this? I think you say na hustle, come this estate, come hustle. I be your papa build any house for this place. Eh? See now. These people nearly blind your eyes. You say this your eyes blind, now waiting for do.
So sister, they just tell me say, "Mo don't allow this guy just go free like that." She mo don't allow this guy just go free like that.
So you get money for any case? I be your papa get money for case?
Sister, no go gree o. See my face now. This guy almost remove my eye. Almost use plug my one of my eye. Come on, do something now.
So big man pikin make I go there arrest her. Which money I get? Big man pikin make I go there arrest her. Wetin they talk safe?
Okay, because in a big man picking now, you know if you arrest him. Use police arrest that guy.
Which police? Which police I go arrest the guy? Why you no find small boy or small person where they like you? You gonna find big man pikin?
I do something now. Oh my smile. You don't understand? Go see my eye now.
Waiting, madam, waiting.
I beg, I look for
I don't go gree o.
48.
Madam, you see say me and my brother dey here dey battle for matter wey happen. He dey ask me for address.
Sorry, everything happened.
Why you just guy o? Why you just guy say, "Are you mistaken? Man just call the girl, fine girl." Not say the girl will fine. People say who for her face. Just say go the girl fine. That guy just come from nowhere. Guy plan hit my face. See my face now.
This is where we dey talk na big man pikin no. Na big man pikin and my brother say make we go arrest her. I no get money for case.
No wonder. No wonder. That's what they do for this area. In fact, for this time, this world. See how they beat poor man pikin because say he no get money. If not for that place, if they don't arrest them.
But we no get money for
No
case
worry,
now.
I get you covered. You get one officer. Name na Suleiman. I'll give you number. Go tell and say, na Ipoma send you. Understand?
I go give you
I
the
collect number. I won't make against this guy. Make them beat this guy. Waiting no good.
Calm down. All these rich people, they wicked.
the wicked though. See. For the they won't kill her for me.
Almost die, yo. Almost die.
These people, I don't like them.
That must have I get this guy, yo. I get this guy.
Calm down now. They give us number first.
If you reach that police station, I go call him. Go give you the location. You
I go call Ifoma.
Yes. No. Na my name na Ifoma.
Okay.
You go tell and say Ifoma send you.
Hey, thank you, sister. Thank you so much.
Arrest that guy.
I go arrest her.
If you no charge
As far as say they no go collect money. Okay, they go.
If you even do pro bono for you, arrest that guy.
Sister, I go give you address. I go give you address where they find. So this address now, if they go now, the second street. Come to that side, you go see the number. Yeah, just go there.
Arrest them.
Yes, sir.
Arrest them.
I'll go. We go arrest them. Thank you.
sorry,
Okay, thank you.
That's it. Sister, do something, no.
Don't worry now. We'll arrest them.
What did you say your name is?
Ifoma, sir.
Former. Yes. I have a son who is careless and reckless. I want you to tolerate his excesses, okay?
That's not a problem, sir.
All right, so you go into the kitchen and prepare breakfast. You'll find everything there. Helen left everything in the kitchen. Hope you'll be like her.
I will do my best, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right.
Good morning, Chief.
Son, what's the matter? Why are you panting? What's the matter?
Chief, problem dey o. Police people dey for gate.
Police people at my gate. What are they looking for?
They say they want see Chief.
Did they mention my name or they want to see Chief?
No be you be the only Chief. One and only Chief in the...
Listen.
Sonny, go and bring them in.
Okay, sir. Yeah, come.
Go back to the tables.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, officer. So you want to see me?
Oh, yes, sir.
What's the matter?
This boy was assaulted today by your son.
My son? How do you know it was my son?
Yes. I don't know say na your son, but I ask around. So as I reach his compound, now I think no say na here.
Well, my son is not in. He went jogging with his girlfriend.
Officer, na be this. Na there are two be this. Now this guy like carry this stick. Now carry this stick almost come on my eye. Because of this war person.
What is going on here?
Young man, do you know this young man?
No, I don't know him. I've never seen him before.
So you can't lie. You said, oh God,
Calm down. Calm down. Young lady, do you know this young man?
I have not seen him in my life.
Una too. Una can lie for Africa. Nothing I won't tell me. See you. Pimples everywhere. Not to say you fine.
Chief.
Officer, carry these people now. Do something.
Chief. This is complete harassment. Your boy and his girlfriend are playing innocent. What if they kill this young man? Why he exhibits his macho power? Then what?
He's lying, and he should be punished for trying to tarnish my man's image.
So me now don't they lie. I don't blame you now. Now because say you no fine. Pimples everywhere. See you, man, every day try to manage. Pimples everywhere.
Officer, arrest these two people. Move.
Calm down.
Son, do you know this young man? Have you seen him before? Tell me the truth.
You know me too well, Dad. It's not possible for me to beat up my fellow man like this. He's clearly lying.
See you. You know what you do?
Officer, he's telling the truth.
I said it.
What?
Take them away. Lock them up and let them pay for their actions. It's time he started taking responsibility for every single action he takes. Take them away.
No.
Officer!
Check out. You asked them to take care.
My friend,
Move!
If you touch me,
Move!
do not touch.
Move! Dad! Move!
Don't touch me.
Move! Dad! Move!
Will you move it? That move people. Say them away. Go now ourselves.
You sent for me, sir.
Yes. You knew Joe is my son, and that the police was looking for something to confirm his arrest. If you were that girl, why would you do it?
Sir, I'll probably do the same thing, sir. I'm sorry.
Even when you know he is my son. So why would you do it?
Sir, I know it might cause the arrest of your son and his girlfriend, but I always stand by the truth. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. Why would you do it?
My mom,
What about your mom?
that she always taught me to always stand by the truth. I'm sorry, sir. Even if it will cost my life.
Yeah, thank you. You can go. Mama,
Yes, sir.
this was tasty. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
What is it? Out with it.
Sir, I know it's not in my place to talk about your son, as I might be overstepping my bounds, but sir, They have been in prison for 2 days. Sir, please release them.
I didn't lock him up. I didn't put him there.
But sir, you can release them.
I know that he must be wondering what sort of father am I? What sort of man would allow his son to be locked up? He didn't do anything about it. He didn't prevent it. And he's not doing anything about it either. Isn't it?
No, sir, whenever...
No. If you're thinking that way, you're not wrong. But I tell you, that boy has been a thorn in my flesh. A thorn in my flesh since the death of his mother 8 years ago. And it got worse when that girl came in to live with him. Since then, it has got worse. I've never known peace. But I've had peace in the past 2 days. Peace I've never had in years.
But sir, we have been tolerating him for so long. I'm sure you're hoping that he's going to change. So I don't think that place is safe for him. In fact, it will only make him worse. He can't even change there. Sir, please.
Foma.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
You're a good girl, you know. Your mother was so proud of you, huh?
She always says that, sir.
I know. It's all right. Go back.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, officer. Wait. Ifoma.
Yes, sir.
Give me a glass of water. I'm dehydrated. Joseph. Wait for me. I'm coming. Let me use the toilet. We have to talk.
That was the same girl one of the officers showed us her picture. Good thing you bribed them. If not, we wouldn't have noticed how we got arrested.
And she's living in my house as the new maid. The audacity!
How will help you? Then, if you dare raise your finger and hand out, I'll send you to where you're coming from. It looks as if you haven't learned your lessons, right, Joseph? Huh? Is that what it means? Now I want us to talk.
Sit.
I'll join you upstairs.
Thank you. Joseph, when your mom and I had you, it wasn't as if we couldn't have other children. Of course we would have. But we were poor. We didn't have anything. And we decided that we'll pour into you every single love and resources that we had. And then we became wealthy. And your mother passed. Of course, I'm happy she's not here to see what you've turned out to be. And it's unfortunate that I'm still here, watching what you've become. You see, it's not as if I can remarry or have other children. But the love I have for your mother has kept me from doing that. I can't have any other woman in my life. None.
I believe you have enough money to get yourself another wife. To be my guest.
Joseph, life doesn't always smile at us the way we want. But now life is smiling at you. It might change without notice. I've got tons of money, enough wealth to make you into what you want to be. But you have chosen to waste away with that girl.
My name is Ella.
Whatever. You have already made the mistake. If you do this again and you're arrested and locked up, I will never do as much as a phone call to get you.
I never asked you to make any phone call for me. I never asked you that. I'm sick and tired of this entire house, of you controlling me, telling me what to do. Look, if it's the airtime you care so much about, then fine, I'm going to refund you. But you cannot control my life anymore. I'll be upstairs to freshen up.
You have not learned your lessons. You know, when a bird is dancing on top of fire, it feels it's just bringing out oil until it burns away. Informer.
Yes, sir.
I am traveling.
Okay, sir. So, when will you be back, sir?
I'll be away for just a month and 2 days. So you take care of yourself and the house, okay?
Okay, sir.
I have put in your account the money you need, okay, to take care of everything, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right, just be careful, huh? Okay, where's my driver? Is outside?
Yes, sir. Good morning, ma.
Come here. Be fast. Are you mad?
What did I do?
What did you do? The next time you would open your mouth without being spoken to, that day you will leave this house.
What do you mean that day you leave this house? She's leaving this house this minute.
Because this stupid girl snitched on us and got us locked up for 2 days. So you're leaving this house. Else, I'm going back to the police for murder this time around.
I was only saying the truth. I just wanted to make things better.
You're saying what? You this poor wretched thing. You think we didn't know you sold us out? You gave Tina the contact to those useless police officers that came to arrest us. Well, news flash. The police is not really your friend. You and Tina really think you're smart.
I didn't think it would get that far, ma.
You didn't.
Ow!
Wait.
I'm sorry.
You really think the police will be on your side?
I'm sorry.
Hey, please talk. Hey, sending her away will be an easy punishment. Let's make her suffer the way she made us suffer. Your dad just went out and will be out for like a couple of days. So before he comes back, we would have sent her away. How about that?
Fine, if you insist.
Yes, I insist. I want you to go upstairs now. Pack all our dirty clothes and wash them.
Okay, ma, I'll just use the washing machine.
I don't want to see you close to the washing machine. Do you hear me?
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now go upstairs, pack those clothes and go outside. Bend down under the sun and wash them properly. Okay?
Yes, ma.
So what are you still standing here doing?
Helen,
My sister.
you know, say ever since Chief come on for that house, he travel. This girl and this boy don't show me shake a banza for that house.
Chai.
You know, say this girl just lights me better slap yesterday, I swear. I dey tell you, I don't do anything, just lights me slap. Ha! God, this thing pay me, oh, he pay me. I almost return him.
No try am o. No try am wey Oga Jodi o. Hey, that boy no dey play with person. If he like you because of that girl, even the father cannot try it.
You feel like the papa too.
I don't know why God go just carry better papa like that. Carry give that olodo woman rapper. Chai.
I just say pray make we make this money. Now why we need to make am actually.
My sister.
So we go give birth to children. We get sense, raise them properly instead of they waste money on children wey dey spoiled.
I swear.
What I do to deserve that kind of tell me what I do?
Nothing. Now in way. Now in way. You just accept your fate like that.
Babe, isn't that the old maid with the new one?
They're the ones, yes.
What are you doing there? Babe, what are you trying to do? Come on, you're wiser than carrying this thing out here now. Don't worry, let's go home and wait for the food. Okay? Just calm down.
Now wetin I dey face now?
What do you take?
Now wetin I dey face? Wetin I go do? My sister. What's that?
So my sister, I try for the whole thing.
I don't know if I go the matter day now like this.
She make I reach out to Chief.
No. No try am o.
And where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the market, ma.
If you lie to my face one more time, I will slap the hell out of you. Where are you coming from?
Babe, calm down. Let me handle this, okay? You said you're coming from the market, right?
Yes, ma.
Okay. So where did you go from there? Because whenever you go to the market, something is always happening.
Ma, I went to see my friend.
Fine. This your friend. Is this someone we might know?
No. She used to work here before me. Her name is Helen.
Babe, she said the truth because she know we saw them.
No, I did not
Now will you shut up? So your friends would have fool.
Me and Helen have been friends for years and she's not a fool.
And you're talking back at me. You're talking back at me.
I'm sorry, sir.
Wait, listen to me. There's consequences for every action. And you're not going to get out of it easily. Do I make myself clear?
I didn't do anything.
Oh, you did. We fired that stupid girl and she got you to come and replace her, right? For what? For you to come and hurt us or what?
Ma, we'll never do something like that, ma.
Just shut up. Listen to me, I'm listening very, very good. For the next 3 days, I don't want to see you close to that kitchen. The only time you go to that kitchen is when you want to prepare something for me and my baby. Do I make myself clear?
You're not having food in this house for 3 days. And I don't want to see you close to the gate or outside the gate within the 3 days. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear? Now leave my sight. Get out!
Stupid girl. Babe, are you enjoying your food?
Of course, I am.
Ma, sir, please, I've not had anything to eat. Please, can I eat something? I'm starving, please.
Babe, did you hear anything?
No, I did not.
Please, ma, my body is shaking. Sir, please, I can't stay for... Please.
Your body has not even started shaking. When it starts shaking, you know how to beg.
Come on, please. Sir, please.
Get out from here, I beg. Get out now. Get out. Get away from here. Sorry, babe.
Ify, you know say na you dey for this kitchen and you fit chop anything wey you want and these people they no go know. Oh, you prefer me die?
Sonny, na my oga. I don't fit do wetin say man no do now.
Okay, so you won't die?
No go die.
You know waiting. I do come. Make I go inside, go bring something where I get inside. Come.
You sure?
No worry.
Are you stupid? So you're trying to act like the father of the nation?
What did I do now?
Hey, Jesus.
Mama.
What is going on here? Babe, I heard your voice from upstairs.
Babe, see this stupid gate man. He's trying to fall in love with this stupid girl.
What?
Babe, see the product of your love.
Sir, please.
You did what?
Ma.
You did what?
Sir, please.
Come here. You did what? Okay, move on.
Sir, please.
You go in there, pack your things, then get your freaking stuff out of here. Get out.
Oga, beg. Oga, beg.
If you come close,
Oga, beg.
go in there.
Oga, beg. Oga, beg. Oga, beg.
Leave my house.
Please, sir. I'm sorry.
So you're hungry. You want to eat?
No, ma, I don't want to eat.
You want to eat?
Sir. Sir.
And you're starting to.
Sorry.
You want to go?
Sorry.
Yeah, bring down. Eat. Eat it from the floor. It's starting to. Babe, you're sleeping peacefully.
Of course I'm sleeping peacefully. Was I supposed to sleep in pieces?
Yes, you're supposed to sleep in pieces because I am sleeping in pieces.
What is the problem?
I cannot sleep under the same roof with that girl because she disobeyed me.
What do you want me to do? Sack her this night?
No, I don't want her to sleep in this house at all. Let her go and sleep under the cold.
Ella, it's late.
You just called me Ella because of that girl. Joe, you just called me Ella.
You just call me Joe too.
I mean, I'm your baby and you're not supposed to call me by my name.
I'm sorry.
The only apology I want is for you to just go outside and chase her away. Please. If not, nobody's going to sleep in this house.
Fine, I'll do that tomorrow.
You do what tomorrow? I said now. If you don't do it, you're not sleeping. Wake up.
Please. Sir.
My wife says she doesn't want to sleep under the same roof with you anymore. So from now on, you're sleeping outside.
Oh, sir, how can I sleep outside? I cannot sleep outside now, sir. It's too cold.
It's too cold. You think here is cold more than Russia? Do you think so?
Have you been to Russia before?
No, please, a mosquitoes will bite me, sir, please.
Don't you dare. The next time you try this, I will strangle you. Nonsense.
Now, sir, please, sir. Mom, sir, please.
You need to stop stressing yourself, eh? You said you're stressing too much. You can't be doing this now.
I know, but you don't expect me to just sit down without doing anything. I have to take care of you and also take care of this house.
Mama, I can take care of you. Don't worry about anything.
My daughter, you can't all. BP drugs are so expensive.
I know. And if it's the BP drugs, I'll find a job and I'll settle everything. In fact, I'll do whatever it takes to make sure you don't have to stress.
Whatever.
Like, whatever, like in a legal way, not like in a bad way. Okay?
That's better.
Please, stop stressing.
I begged you.
Okay, back to the way.
Okay then.
stupid? Is this your Richard father's house where you sleep and wake up whenever you like? So you expect I and my boyfriend to eat our flesh, right?
I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. Now stand up, go to the kitchen and prepare something for us to eat.
Okay, ma.
Stand up, don't waste my time. You came here to come and sleep. Go upstairs and call my baby for me. Yay! My baby is finally here! Yay! Baby.
When did you leave the bed?
I knew you'd love to wake up this Richard girl to make breakfast for us.
Come here. What did you just do? Did you just easily? I'm talking to you! You're walking away!
Joseph! 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 What is this? Joseph! Where's that stupid boy, Joseph?
Dad,
Yes?
you've been shouting Joseph, Joseph. What is it?
Joseph! Are you so heartless and stupid?
What did I do this time around?
You've done every single stupid thing on earth, worse than you've ever done in your life. Huh? You broke a piece of glass in a girl's eye?
Sir, that wasn't what happened.
Oh, shut up, you idiot, useless girl. Get out of my house right now.
She's not leaving the
How
house.
dare you, she is?
If she leaves, I leave.
Then both of you should leave my house, you useless things. Yes, get out.
Babe, let's go upstairs and pack our things.
Oh, great. And then, Joseph, if you leave this house right now, you lose every single thing you've ever gotten from me and you're going to get from me, including the company.
You won't do that.
Oh, dare me, Joseph, dare me. Your mates are about the town looking for success in their careers and businesses. But here you are, gallivanting about, living a useless life. Joseph, you will pay for this. I assure you, you will pay. Sorry. Will you get out of here, you fleas? Get out! Sorry. Sit. Sit. I'm sorry, dear. I know what my son has done is pardonable. I'm truly sorry. But I'll make sure that justice is served. Huh? So sorry, eh? Sorry.
Chimo, Emma, oh,
Mama.
they did this to you.
Calm down.
And I want her not to come and work here. But she insisted she wants to work and take care of me and her mother. And look at my daughter, my only child. Look at what a wicked and rude son has done to my...
Hey, do not talk to me like...
Oh, shut up! They
want to come after you.
It's okay,
okay, madam, it's okay. Calm down, Mom, calm down.
Please, calm down. Madam, I can understand your sentiments. I feel the way you feel. No, we have hurt your family. And what we have done is just bad. However, Mom, I promise you we'll take full responsibility.
What responsibility? What responsibility, eh? Listen, the only responsibility there is for you to make my daughter whole. And I will leave you in peace gladly. Be like my daughter's eyes.
Mom, if that were possible, I could have done that before you came in. The doctors have examined her and they tell me one of the eyes is badly affected.
Hey! This leaves us with one option. Just one.
Which is?
Your son must marry my daughter.
What?
Yes.
Shut up.
That's never going to happen.
Never.
Shut up, Bella. How dare you speak in my presence?
But Dad, you heard what she said.
I said shut up and get out of here before I remove your head from your shoulders. You flea-bitten idiot.
These people are clearly gold diggers. She plotted her daughter into this house so that she'll provoke me and then they can enter the house.
Really? You fool. That makes them more responsible than you. I've been living with a fool, reckless idiot in my house. You should be ashamed of yourself. Madam, I understand how you feel. We will leave her with you so that she will undergo her treatments. You know, there'll be some multiple operations here and there. And after that, we can then go through the option B of marriage, please. I'll take full responsibility.
That is not happening, Dad.
Oh, shut up.
That is not happening. Dad.
Thank you, Mom.
That is not happening.
Shut up before I slaughter you with my own sword. Are you sick? Are you stupid? Now get out of here before I commit murder.
This is not happening.
You are a fool. Allow me to think before I destroy you.
I am not marrying that girl.
Let me think. Idiot. Are you still standing there? Doesn't rain, it pours.
Mama.
Yes, sir.
Mama, why would you make such a decision without consulting me first?
There was no other decision to make. Will they return your eyes?
Mama, it is my life we are talking about here, Mama. You just sold me off like I'm some property to be shared to anyone, and you're talking about my life? You're talking about what are you saying, Mama?
What would I have done? Allow you remain in this house with one eye and remain single for the rest of your life? God forbid.
Wow, so the best thing to do is to marry me off to someone. Mama, you know this is the guy that is responsible for my predicaments, Mama. You know, this guy, his heart doesn't even belong to me. It belongs to another woman, Mama. Why are you doing all this?
I married you to a man whose father is wise and understands responsibility. Yes. A man who understands accountability and will do everything to make you happy.
All right. Now, Mama, this is what is going to happen. I am not going to marry this boy. In fact, he will never be my husband. Never!
You will, except intimately. You said this is Africa. We don't marry men. We marry the entire family. And in your own case, Chief is his only family.
Wow, Mama. So, Me and my happiness does not matter to you, right? You don't even care about how I feel about this whole situation. You just want me to get married off to someone because I am blind, Mama. Right?
I do. I do, but you won't understand what I'm saying. I'm doing everything for your own good, for your benefit. You won't understand until you're of age.
I don't want to have this conversation with you anymore. I'm going to leave you. But one thing I want you to know is I will not marry that boy. I will not marry Joe.
Mr. Rufus, I would like to talk to you.
Well, if it's about your marriage to a former, perish the thought. You're already married.
That is not happening. I am not getting married to that smelly girl or anyone else but Ella.
Oh, that's fine. All you just need to do is to make her your second wife, and then we'll have peace. That's all. But, Ifoma, it's a done deal.
Why are you doing this? Why do you hate me so much?
I hate you? You?
Yes, you do. You've always fought against my happiness, what I wanted. The only person that stood by me was Mom. When Mom was alive, she was always there for me. And cared for me.
Joseph. All the care your mother was giving to you was with the resources I brought in. Every flight I took, every tube I rode in, every train I was in, every bus I got into, every taxi I used, every night I slept out and slaved. It was for you, to make you into a better person, a responsible man. It was for you. But it's sad, look at what you've turned out to be. How can I hate my offspring? That's not possible.
I don't like that girl. I don't even care about her. All I want is Ella.
Joseph, tell this girl to leave this house before Ifoma comes back.
Dad, that's not happening. I'm not leaving my man for anybody. And I'm not going to let him marry any gold digger.
I have never hit a woman in my life, and don't let this be the first. How dare you stand in my presence, in my own house, and talk to me like that? Let this not happen again, and take this vermin out of my house.
Babe, this is utter wickedness. Your father has never liked me, and this is the opportunity to chase me away.
Babe, listen. Nobody's getting rid of you. You're mine. You're mine forever.
Then prove it.
How?
Stand with me no matter what your father says.
I'm here with you. All the way.
And tell your father that you're not going to marry that thing, and you're going to marry just me.
Of course. I'm not marrying that piece of trash. You don't have to worry about anything. Both of our eyes can go blind for all I care. She can even go deaf and dumb. But it's you that I want.
Oh, she's leaving?
Yes. Since you've insisted on her leaving this house. I guess you haven't noticed. Wherever she goes, I go.
That is a comment of a fool, a rolling stone that gathers no mass.
Look, you can insult me all you want, but I'm leaving.
Oh, that's nice. Leave my car key.
What?
You see, you have nothing. So you live with nothing. Everything that is here belongs to me, including the cars. Now get out.
Is that so? Fine. From today, I cease to be your son.
Really? That's the best news I've had in 26 years. Now, get out.
Babe, let's go.
Close my door behind you.
Hey, now God will punish this boy. Which kind of evil pikin be this now? Hey, hey God, if I'm so sorry. Now me send you go that evil house. Hey,
Ellie, no be your fault, I beg.
hey, now my fault now, eh? If to say I leave you for where you been there, you forget your 2 eyes complete.
I say no be your fault now. I suppose to even thank you for finding work for me. Shey na you carry glass throw me for eye. Na Joe now, so no worry yourself about that.
Now God will punish her. Ah,
Helen,
eh?
no dey curse people for my house.
You say I don't even know the kind of person where you be. You were supposed to join me, lay curse on top of head. You dey here dey side down. What did they come say go happen to you?
Wait. So you think say na this one be my problem? Ellie, you know say Chief and Mama talk say me, I go marry Joe.
You say?
They say they will come pay my bride price soon.
I don't understand. On top waiting now?
I don't know.
Who want marry that mumu boy?
I don't know what she dey think. Oh, I don't know.
I beg oh.
And again, Chief come earlier talk say na him go represent the boy.
I beg no mind that mumu boy. In the shame for you. He no one come. Person supposed to do Thanksgiving every day. Say he see better woman like you marry. Hi.
No mind them. Oh, me, I just don't see. As I did like this, I dey weak. I don't even get stressed. See, I dey confused. I know what I won't do. I just leave everything. I beg. I no get strength.
See, in as much as I don't like this idea, say you won't marry that goat, eh? But I still feel say your mother will talk this thing. She's the wisest woman where I don't see, eh? She will get reason why she talk am. Yeah,
I know. Nah, still she. As I tell you before, she suggest them. So I just the way. I know even one thing am. I beg. I know one thing am.
Beg. Me she think am well, oh, eh?
No, you can carry Joe. Me, I make I marry Joe. They like film.
I just tire. But she will talk. I know say she could don't calculate them well.
My dear,
There
forget that one. I did. It did that bad.
Bad though, eh? It's so bad. Hey, sorry, eh? If you do.
No worry.
Hey, see my friend though. Hey.
What happened, Mark?
Your bill, sir.
Excuse me.
I got it from the receptionist, and they said you have not renewed your room for today. Client, sir.
No nonsense. My dad. I need to go in.
Babe, stop. Not in front of the staff. Just pay him, please, and let him go.
Try to see.
Okay. The client too.
Mark, you know what? Just go and come back later, okay?
Okay, this is your bill. When you're ready, call the receptionist.
I think your dad has frozen your account. He just wants to frustrate you.
Maybe we should try and use your card.
My card. Babe, stop it now. You're a man. Do something and call your friend. Just do anything. I'm just a baby girl, not a problem solver. Or better still, you sell your phone.
Ify, my dear, I understand. I know you're not happy with all this marriage plans thing. But trust your mom. Anything I do, it's for your own good.
Mama, I'm just doing this because of you, because I trust you. You know, this boy didn't even show up. He did not even show up.
But the father came with his kingsmen and paid your bride price, so don't panic. You just go there, be the wife that you're going there to be, a very good wife. Play your role well, respect him, even if he disrespects you, yes. You know he's a man. Men have ego, please. My God will guide you. God will go with you. God will protect you in that house in Jesus' name.
Amen, Mama. Amen. Now, you need to take care of yourself very, very well because I will not be around. I don't want to hear Mama this, Mama fell, Mama. I don't want to. I will tell Helen to come and check up on you when I cannot come home. Mama, please, promise me.
Don't worry, I'll be fine. Come, let's go. So don't keep your father-in-law waiting. Ada, baby.
Former, you're welcome. You're welcome to your matrimonial home. Your bride price has been paid, so you're a married woman now. Welcome to your home. Don't worry about my son's behavior. He will turn around. He'll soon come back. So you make yourself comfortable in your house.
Okay, sir. But thank you for everything you've done for me and my mother.
Oh, no. Your family. So you're married to this family now. You're no longer a maid. And then I will soon complete works on my Chevron house, and then I'll move over there. This place will now be for you and your husband.
No, you don't have to, sir. I'm fine with you, yes.
No. That was my wife's last wish before she died. That I should bequeath this to the son and his family. And that's what I'm going to do. Yesterday was strenuous, the traditional wedding, everything. So go up, relax. This is your home now.
Thank you, sir.
How's the eye? Not so bad? It's improving.
Thank you, sir.
All right, dear. Welcome. Then we'll sort out clothes for you and all that soon, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Babe, why are you like this? Where's the money?
There is no money.
How? But I thought you said you wanted to go and ask your friends.
I did. No one was willing to borrow me money.
Babe, our bills are piling up now. I do something. You're a man.
I gave you 1.5 last week. Can't you help? Don't you have savings? So just check your account, babe. Or just call somebody you know. Don't you even have 10,000 naira in your account, babe?
Babe, see, I don't have anything. There's no money. And my cream and soap has finished. I need to buy them.
We're talking about food. You're talking about cream and soap.
Babe, how is it my business? Are you not the man? You should provide for me now. I don't have money. Please.
So now, so my friend they become madam for this house. Oh. Chai!
Shay, you don't know how everything take happen.
I beg you. Things happen as they happen. But you be madam now. I beg, where the moon? Sorry. Where Joe?
They travel.
You mean say since that traditional marriage till now, you never see him?
At all. I never see him.
Why am I surprised? No be that boy again. I did sure saying go deal with that stupid girl for one place now.
Wetin concern me and that girl, and you don't understand say that my eye be the most important thing now.
Understand.
Wetin concern me and Ella and the boy. I
So
beg.
say Chief dey your side.
Chief Sha don assure me say he go come back. Mommy say if he come back, he no consent. I dey waka o.
My sister, forget consent. Follow what the chief talk. So long chief don't tell you saying go come back. He go come back.
I no even want make he come back sef. I no want make he come back, man, no lie. I no want.
You na sharp babe now. I trust you. I know say once you see him, I will know what you want.
Wetin dey worry dis thing? No
I
get
know you
sense.
cook for this house.
No, I wan come cook. Since Chief comot, only me there. I no get any strength to cook anything.
Babe, enter kitchen, you dey whine me. Stand up, Jare.
No dey pity your friend.
Sorry. Madam. No, let's go.
You no see my new phone? You no see my new phone?
Now you now. Let's go.
What are you doing, babe?
I'm leaving.
To where?
I'm going to my father's house. At least he didn't disown me and there's so much food there.
Yeah, that's true.
And where are you going?
Following you to your father's house.
You mean you want to follow me to my father's house?
Yes.
Don't you have shame?
What do you mean by don't you have shame? You were staying in my father's house, so what is the problem now?
And that's how it's supposed to be. A woman is supposed to stay in a man's house and not the other way around.
Wait, let me get this. You're leaving me.
No, babe, I'm not leaving you. I just want to go and relax. I just kept myself.
But this is just temporal. My dad will soon come back to his senses.
Babe, I know. And when he does, I'll come back, okay? Please. Babe, you're a man. Find solution, okay? I'll call you when I get home. I love you.
Welcome, sir.
Let me get my food. Make it 2 portions.
Yes, sir.
What drink?
Give me water.
Anything else, sir?
Why are you staring at me?
I just wanted to confirm if you wanted.
And why are you not putting on your uniform?
Sir, level has changed in this house. I'm not your wife.
What do you mean level has changed?
Level has changed. Are you eating or should I take your food away?
Yeah, I got home not long ago. I just finished taking a shower. Yeah, I've already had dinner. There was a lot of food at home. Maybe you should come. Maybe come on. That is not even around. It's just this dirty thing. Babe, now, I thought it was because of the food you went home. Come on, babe. 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 What happened? What are you doing here? I'm talking to you. I said, what are you doing here?
Please, I am your wife. I'm just trying to sleep.
In my room. Also, you want Ella to come and think we're having something? God forbid. Get out of my room.
Joe, it's like you didn't hear me when I said level has changed, right? Level has changed in this house. I think you should be the one to leave. You cannot order me around, so leave.
I should leave my own room. Are you
Don't you dare, Joe! Don't you dare! What do you want to do? Hit me? Don't you dare! Look at you! Every small thing, violence! Why can't you be an empath for once? What did I ever do to you? You're so mean! I am somebody's daughter, oh. I will not take it from you again. If you do it again, Joe, I will fight you back. Don't try it with me. If you're not comfortable, you come out for the room now. Joe, what is it now?
Look, bring it on. I need you to bring it on because I am not leaving my room because of you. I am not leaving this room. Look, the first one was the left eye. Now it's going to be your right eye.
Beautiful. Blind me, Joe! You have finished this one. You think I like this one? I don't like it though. I like two eyes closed. You will have a wife that is fully blind, functional in your house. Joe, blind me. Joe, blind me! You're a man. Blind me. Nonsense! See, Joe, stop playing with me in this house, Joe. I have been so calm. I've been doing everything you guys want, but you see this time around, Joe. Joe, no, try me. Joe! You made me blind. You don't want to marry me. Fine, let me sleep in my house. I don't care. However you take it. Thank you, Mr. Joe. If you want to still blind me, blind me. I do wait for you. You're a wicked person.
Look, I know you're the devil sent to take my life, to destroy me, but it's not going to happen.
Man, you're Lucifer, Joe. You are Lucifer. You are Lucifer. Joe, come and blind me.
Joe, come on for here. Ah. Sweet boy, spoilt boy. Won't come blind second eye. Blind am now.
Please, can you help me get drugs? Please.
Do I look like a doctor or errand boy to you?
Please, my entire system is bad. My eyes are aching me. I can't go to the pharmacy, please.
Then die. At least that will solve me a lot of problems.
Sir.
Bye. Come back. Is that not Informer? Wait. Informer, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I told Joe to get me drugs. He could not get it for me. He refused, so I went to get it, but I could not.
No, it's okay. Come. Get up. I'll take you to the pharmacy. Get up. You're going. Go. I'll do. Pharmacy. Fast. Sorry, man. Sorry. Hagu. Joseph, you are a disgrace to humanness. You're a fool. You're crazy.
Oh. Broken record.
Huh? Your wife is sick. You.
No, she's not my wife. And she will never be my wife. Look, I'm freaking tired of this house. I was out there all on my own. You left me. You froze my account because of this thing. I was there. But nothing. I went through hell. I went through shit. Now you chose her over me. Your son. The same person that got me locked up. The same person that lied against me. This girl that entered this house with a backpack. disappointed. And I know Mom must be disappointed too. So now the ball is in your court. You have to make a decision. It's either you choose her or me. Your son. Your heir.
Look, Joe, you can't put me in that position, no, you can't. I know you met under very difficult circumstances, and she's not of your class. I understand that. But you can work this out. She's a brilliant, beautiful, hardworking girl, and she can be of help to you. She can assist you in life if you learn to show her a little love. After all, you put her in this condition, you know that? You almost blinded her. I wanted to show some sympathy, you know. Love her a little. That's what it is.
Joseph? Joseph? I'm still talking to you, Joseph.
So you shouldn't have frozen his account. He's a man. He has needs. What if he gets stuck somewhere?
You still defend that idiot?
So he's your son.
But he's your husband, as well as my son.
If he doesn't want to marry me, you don't have to force him.
Listen, he can love you. Now it's time you started talking sense into daddy. Yam head. Now sit down. And you have to take your drugs. At least there's food in it, so. Okay. Sorry. Sorry, you'll be fine.
Wakey, wakey. Don't call me sir. Just look for a sweet romantic name for me. Anyways, I know that you're not feeling well, so I decided to make breakfast for you. It's called breakfast in bed.
Sorry, you made this?
Yes. Are you doubting me?
I can never doubt you. I'm just asking.
It's fine. I was just joking. So just eat while I go downstairs and do the house chores, okay?
Don't worry. I will do the house chores myself after I finish eating.
No, it's fine. Look, I'm your husband. I'm supposed to take care of you. Okay? So just eat and rest. I'll go downstairs, do the house chores. I'll come back to clean up this. Good.
Sir, please, just help me eat it small. No, just eat it. It's good that you eat it before I eat it. I'm sorry.
Good. Just eat. It's fine. I'll be back to clean up.
I did not give him this tea to drink. Now, what if there's something inside? I will eat the egg. Okay. I'll eat the egg first.
Hi, wifey. What are you watching?
K-drama, sir.
That means you're a lover girl. But enough of K-drama. I need us to go for evening walk.
Me and you go on a walk.
Yes.
Sir.
Look, I want the entire estate and other people to know that we're husband and wife. But it's totally fine if you don't want to. I can understand.
Sir.
That's all right. All right, Koma. You should go with him. Hmm? You've been sitting indoors. Go and feel the outside. Feel the estate. Feel the atmosphere, okay? Go with him. Hmm? Okay? Mm-hmm. Go. Mm.
See you later, Dad.
Yes. Enjoy the outdoors. Yeah.
Dad, how long will you be staying there for?
Well, that won't be necessary anymore. Joe is here.
That is right. I'm here for us.
Okay, Joe, I've asked the bank to unfreeze your account.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
So take care of her. Thank you.
What's wrong, my husband?
It's that husband that will kill you. That husband is going to kill you. Do I look like your class?
Wait, I don't understand. We were just okay a few minutes.
We were never okay. We were never okay. I was just pretending. Because I heard my dad talking to you that he's only going to unfreeze my account if I start acting like this. And I did. All because I want to have access to my money.
It is not your money. You're so deceitful. You don't even care about other people's emotions.
To hell with your emotions. Do I look like I care? You want to be married to the Rufus family so bad? Fine. Then get married to my dad then.
Hey, babe. Where are you? Good, good. I will be there soon. We're back on the table. Good. See you. He did, yeah. Okay.
Oh my God. Are you good? Jesus Christ, are you alright? Talk now. What's wrong? Tell me so I know what to do. So I don't know if I should get you should I get you medicine? We're sorry. Don't cover yourself. I think it's fever and malaria. Wait. I'm coming, okay? Hi. Sorry, I didn't know you were awake. Should I get you something?
Why are you doing all this?
What am I doing?
This, being nice, being respectful, even the way I treated you like a trash.
Well, I was raised right. And one thing I know how to do best is love my neighbor as myself. No matter what you do for me to
hate you. I can't. And no matter what you do to me, I cannot stop loving you. So,
Joseph, I want to talk to you.
Dad, if it's really one of your lectures, I'm really not in the mood.
Say it. I can't keep watching you waste like this. Life is not a party. It's not a joke. Every day you wake up, eat, drink, sleep, party, smoke, frolic with people who just love your pocket.
Is that not why you worked hard so I can enjoy?
No. I worked hard so you become greater than me. Not a shadow living off my sweat. Joseph, do you know how an empire is built? I lived in uncompleted buildings. I was hungry, famished, beaten, harassed, betrayed. And now you have all the wealth in the world that can make you a better person. Joseph, wealth without responsibility is a joke. A real man protects his future, respects everybody, is focused, and carries the family name with honor.
So, you think I'm a failure?
No. You are lost, and you can still find your bearing. The day you decide to become responsible, to change, to focus, I will give you every single thing that I have.
Are you being serious, Dad?
Oh yes. The company, the wealth, the money, the buildings, everything will belong to you. I don't have much time to leave. Don't wait till I'm gone before you can become responsible.
I will try, Dad. I promise.
Don't try. Change. Anyway, as for Ifoma, I can't force you to love someone. No, I can't. If you don't want her, that's fine by me. I will compensate the family. And I'll make sure she receives the best treatment, that she'll be well and her sight restored.
Yeah.
Don't be too quick to give me an answer. Think about it. Sleep over it. And everything I have will be yours. Good night.
Good night, Dad.
yeah, how are you feeling?
Better.
Can you tell me what happened? Or if you don't want to tell me, it's fine. I don't know.
I'm sorry, Ifoma,
For
for everything. Especially your eye. I wish I can go back and change things, but it's not possible, so I'm just asking for your forgiveness. Please.
so let me get you water. morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sorry, sir. You're not in your usual outfits. Where are you going to?
Well, yeah, I'm going to the office.
Office?
Yeah, I have an office, a company that I abandoned, so I decided to start work today.
Okay, so let me just get you breakfast.
No, it's fine. I'm already late for work. But I promise I'll be back early for dinner.
I didn't know you were going to go out today. I would have made breakfast earlier for you.
It's fine, Ifeoma. It's okay.
Sorry, sir. Did your dad freeze your account again?
I will see you later, Ifeoma.
Okay. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
I got you this.
for me. Thank you. So what would you like for dinner? Should I get you something?
You did not even check what I got you.
Oh, I knew it's going to be nice and expensive, sir. Let me just get you dinner.
You're not sleepy yet.
Oh, I'll go to bed once I'm done with my phone.
Okay. Anyways, I spoke with my dad. He said that the test proves that your eye will be corrected. There is still hope, and he's making arrangements to fly you to India for your surgery. I told him that I would like to join you so I can be by your side. You're not saying anything?
Chief already told me. Please, if this is another joke of yours trying to mess with me, I can't take it. I don't want to be an object of emotional torture.
You know, I understand where this is coming from. But I had a long talk with my dad, man to man. Look, there is this time in a man's life where all he needs is a change. And that time is now. Ella is not in my life anymore. I just want to focus on you. I really like you, Ifeoma. Like I'm officially asking you to be my girlfriend. I know we're husband and wife, but I want to date you. I want us to date. I want us to play like kids. I want us to have ice cream together, go for evening walk. We can start off with the boyfriend and girlfriend and later take it off as husband and wife.
Are you for real? Is this a joke? You can call it off. It's fine.
No. It's not a joke.
I like it too. For real. Yeah.
I think it's time for bed.
Yeah, I think you should go first. I will. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Baby. I don't know.
Good.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's fine. A man should always wait for his woman, especially when she looks this beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
I'm so proud of who you are. Yeah.
Thank you. And I'm so happy I can see you with my eyes again. Thanks to Chief, your daddy.
Yes. He is a wonderful man. He's this kind of person, whatever he wants, make sure he gets it and see results.
And he's so proud of you.
And I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
I just thank God for the Indian doctors. When they brought you out of the theater, I thought both of your eyes has gone blind.
Exactly. The way they bandaged me, I was so scared. I'm so grateful I can see with my eyes again. Mama was so shocked when she saw me. She couldn't even believe it. I mean, they're so good.
We thank God.
I swear, thank God. So, baby, I thought this was my watch. Oh, baby, look at the time. We have to go, we're late.
Okay, but what's about a peck before leaving?
You want a peck?
Mm-hmm.
Say please.
Please, baby.
Please.
Please, baby.
Okay.
Careful.
What is it?
I love when you smile. I could pay to watch you smile. Always.
Well, I actually had so much fun, so yeah, I will smile.
I am glad you did.
Yeah, and this is what our first date, right?
Yeah, first.
Yes.
I need to see your mom.
Right, you need to see her. She doesn't believe you're a changed man, no. You know, even after I told her we went to India together for the eye surgery, she did not still believe.
I know. So I need to go there.
Mm.
You know? I need to show her the real Joe, the new me. You know, her daughter's love of her life.
Her daughter's love of her life, or Ella's ex-boyfriend.
Don't talk about Ella now.
Mm.
Look, do you know that girl made me lose 20 million naira?
It's a lie.
Didn't my dad unfreeze my account?
Wait, what did your dad do?
She just said I should focus on myself, you know, building myself and taking responsibility of things. And yeah, when I become a changed man, then I can make more than that.
Sure, you will.
But listen, I want to thank you. Thank you for helping my dad and shaping me. You know, today when I looked in the mirror, I'm proud of myself. Proud of how far I have come. All I see is a man with goals, a man that is focused, a man that has accepted and taken responsibility, not just as a son, but as a husband. I know we did not start off on a good side, but I want to show you the best version of myself. I just want you to give me the opportunity to do right by you. And I promise I'm not going to fail you this time around. So please, I just want you to be my wife. I want you to be my friend, my everything. So baby,
Okay.
Are you for real?
Will you marry me?
Yeah, but we are already married.
I know, but I just want to do the right thing, you know? I want to pay your bride price again and again and again. Please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh my God, it's so cute. Thank you.
Go ahead. I love you.
Thank you. Now you're gonna get a kiss. And not a peck, a real kiss, because you deserve it.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Let's get ready for it. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh,
Let's go in. Oh, I got a ring.
Stop! I'm serious, stop. I'm serious, wait. What? No. It's just a joke.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
I thought...
It's just a joke, Daddy.
We're just playing.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I didn't tell you I was coming.
No, it's fine. I totally understand.
It's okay. You're looking good.
Daddy, you know that you stayed for 2 months. You don't want to tell me.
I wanted you to enjoy yourselves. But really, I mean, you're looking good. You're treating her well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think she's sick. We need to take her to the hospital.
Hey, cool down. So the hospital saying, huh? You didn't tell me. Your wife is pregnant. It's so obvious. I'm going to be a grandfather. Relax. She's pregnant. You're going to be a father. This is just the beginning, you know. It's called morning sickness.
Sorry, Joseph.
My dear,
Yes,
congratulations. I know you're having a baby.
Oh my God. You wanted to keep it as a secret.
Really?
I'm so sorry, Mickey.
Are you pregnant, bro?
Excuse me, let me take this call. Yeah, hello? Hello?
Are you happy?
Hello? Yes, I'm here.
It's gonna be a boy or a girl.
Maybe a boy?
A boy. Girl, a boy.
Ella. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
What do you mean? Am I not allowed to come to my man's house again?
It's not your man's house. It's Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Rufus' house.
What? Babe, wait. Are you saying this to upset me?
Look, what we had was nice while it lasted. We're done. We've been done since I saw your chat with a guy conniving to scam me 20 million.
Babe, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. The guy blocked me everywhere and now I'm broke. Please,
Also, now you're back to your bank.
please, I'm
Look,
sorry.
Ella,
babe.
I'm happily married. Soon to be father.
That's right. You? Huh?
Ella. Didn't you hear what my son said? My son is happily married. Get out of this house now or I baptize you with hot oil. Right now. Get out! Come here, my dear. You're welcome to the family.
Thank you.
You're the best thing to have happened to us since the death of my wife.
Thank you.
Son, congratulations.
Thank you.
Now let me have something to eat.
Right. Hey, what drink do you like to have?
Red wine.
Red wine.
I will also want red wine.
Wow. Yeah, drag it here. Ladies and gentlemen, let us drink to the health of my grandchild. Cheers!
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers. Okay, it's my turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Babe, you know we're here to celebrate our unborn child. But I'm here also to celebrate you for being the strongest woman I know. I don't think there is any woman that is as special as you are to me.
Wow.
Despite everything I did to you, despite all the pain I caused you, despite all the times that I shouted at you, I pushed you, I did all sort of horrible things to you. And I want to ask for your forgiveness also. But yeah, Dad, if I'm here today as a responsible man, it's because of this woman right in front of me. I want you to know that I love you. And I will forever love you. I promise you that.
Wow.
And I know you're going to say no promises, but this is one that I'm going to keep.
Good.
So enough of all the talk. Let's just get into it.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. So it's time to...
Tell us this.
I need to find the balloon first before... Oh, I think so.
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
I want you to do the honor.
Okay.
Hold on. The count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Wait.
It's about time.
Wait, let's see the best.
It's a boy.
That's my grandson.
I'm so happy.
That's my grandson. Yeah, drink. Drink, don't worry, you can't get drunk.
Thank you so much.
So happy.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.